Trading using parabolic SAR. The parabolic SAR is a very good indicator as it helps us determine where a trend might be starting, can help us confirm that there is a trend, or it can help us determine where a trend might be ending. The SAR on the parabolic SAR stands for stop and reversal. So how does the parabolic SAR work? Well, it places dots or points above or below the price on a chart, and this indicates potential reversals in price movement. How do we use parabolic SAR to enter trades? Well, when the dots for the parabolic SAR are below the price, we buy. And when the dots are above the parabolic SAR, like here, we sell. It's important that you understand that parabolic SAR is a leading indicator, meaning that it gives a signal, like here, before the new trend or reversal occurs. And so it helps you to profit by predicting what's going to happen next. But the downside to it is that it can often give false signals or fake outs, which could mislead you. Let's look at this example right here. As you can see right there, there's a single dot above the price. And so you may enter a sell here thinking that it's going to come down, but obviously it does not. So how do we fix this problem? Well, we can wait for confirmation. And confirmation is waiting for 3 dots to occur under or above the price before we act upon it. So as you can see here, you have 1, 2, 3 dots, so you buy. You have 1, 2, 3 dots, then you sell. So what do we do next? We can use parabolic SAR to exit trades. And we do this by monitoring the position of the dots, as when the dots go from above the price to below the price, it signifies a reversal is coming, and we can use this knowledge to exit the trades. But as you can see, that isn't always the case. So how do we exit the trades properly? Well, the standard is to wait for 3 dots to form before exiting the trades, as this would avoid false signals like the one here. But as you can see, even then it's not enough, as this was a false signal. So how would you get around this problem? Well, you can wait for more dots to form. However, when you do this, although it allows you the opportunity to profit more if price does continue to go higher, you would give up more gains if it was an actual reversal. So looking back at our previous example, we would have sold here, and when would we have exited? Well, we would have waited for 3 dots, like right here. As you can see, it would have been a good exit. Also in our last example, we said we would have bought here. So looking at the chart again, it would have meant that we would have sold here. As you can see, using the parabolic SAR allows you to catch most of the trend. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe. The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles.